Hey everyone! If you're seeing the Snapchat device ban error SS06, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through several simple fixes that can help you get back into your account. Just follow each step carefully. First, let's understand what this error means. The SS06 error usually appears when Snapchat detects unusual or suspicious activity from your device or account and temporarily restricts access. This can happen if you entered the wrong login details multiple times, used unauthorized third-party apps or modified versions of Snapchat, logged in from different devices or locations too quickly, or used a VPN or unusual network connection that triggered Snapchat's security system. Now, let's start with the first fix. Wait it out. If the lock is temporary, Snapchat recommends waiting before trying again. This waiting period can be up to 48 hours. After that time passes, try logging in again. Avoid repeated login attempts during the waiting period, because too many failed tries can make the restriction last longer. Next, switch your network or disable any VPN. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi or try a different network. If you're using a VPN or proxy connection, turn it off before logging in again, since these can trigger security flags. Now, let's clear the app's cache. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Next, select Manage Apps or All Apps, depending on your device. At the top, tap the search bar and type Snapchat, then open it from the list. Inside the app info page, tap Storage. Here's the important part. Tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache, and confirm by tapping OK. This removes temporary files or corrupted data that might be causing the moderation issue. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or your content, it just refreshes the app's stored data. If you're on iPhone, the best solution is to uninstall and reinstall the app, since iOS doesn't have a clear cache option. Once that's done, go back to your home screen. Now, let's update the Snapchat app. Open the Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. Tap the search bar at the top and type Snapchat. When the app appears, check if there's an update button. If an update is available, update the app completely. Updates often include fixes for bugs and login issues. If updating doesn't fix the problem, uninstall Snapchat from your device, then reinstall it from your Play Store or App Store. After reinstalling, try logging in again. If you're still locked out, try logging in from a different device, like a friend's or partner's phone. If your account works on another device, that means the issue is likely specific to your original device. If none of these steps solve the problem, your last option is to contact Snapchat support through their help form. Explain the issue clearly, include the SS06 error code, and attach a screenshot if possible. Be honest if you've used third-party apps or violated any terms. If the device ban is permanent, recovery options may be limited, but support is your best chance. And that's it. After following these steps, you should have a good chance of fixing the Snapchat SS06 device ban. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.